Open MS PowerPoint and open blank slide. And write a word using text box. And adjust the size and keep ID on middle. And go to phone and select the text I selected. And insert the box shape to hold slide and right click and choose behind the text and click on format tag and click on merge shape and click on combine. And change the background color to black. Go to insert tag and click on video and choose a colorful video and insert in and drag it to the full slide. And right click and click on behind the text. Now you are done. And the output looks like this. This is the end of the video. Let's meet in the next video. Stay tuned with us.